What's going on, everybody? Chris here again with another room tour. So today we were at, like I showed you guys, Shades of Green. This is a military hotel here located on Disney World property here in Florida, not California. Well, disclaimer, this was about $195 hotel located right on property, so you get the perks of early hours, the bus transportations, all that stuff. Other disclaimer is you do have to be active duty or retired, receiving some sort of disability to stay here. So with that disclaimer out of the way, let's go ahead and show you guys our little standard room. Alright, so first things first, there is the door we just came out of, obviously. Nice big closet space. They do have some hangers for you. Nice little deep locker, you can lock your things away. Extra sheets and blankets. Iron and ironing board's always nice if you guys have some fancy attire you want to wear. Pretty big closet, like I said. Hook on over to the right. Here is our bathroom. Okay, just a little single sink. Comes with everything you're gonna really need for the day. I like the lighting in here. Here is the shower, pretty basic. Comes included with a tub, not bad. You have your own little private, well actually I guess you don't have a private little bathroom, but you can always shut the door. Moving on down, got a nice long tall mirror. What up? Here are two queen size beds, I believe they are. Nice little sitting bench, nice TV. I don't know the size of it. For those who enjoy coffee, they have some stuff up here for you. Down hidden below here, you have a little mini fridge. Nothing inside. I always like to check cupboards. Sometimes you never know what lies in beneath. If anybody's hiding anything cool, but those are empty. Keep on going forward. Here is a little pull-out bed, which we're not gonna have to use because it's just my wife and I and the two kids. One being a baby, so he's gonna be a nice little pack and play. Got a nice little table for two. It's pretty decently sized, so if you have a party of four, you can definitely have 4 people sitting up there. And then last but not least, to finish and wrap up our room tour, we have the outside patio. We have the view looking at the pool. There's a nice little pool out here. It's kind of out in the way, but it's literally right out there. I don't know if you can see it through all the foliage and stuff like that, but there is a pool out there in the distance, kind of nice and hidden away. And of course, some room out here to sit as well. But yeah, there you go. There you have it. This is one of the little rooms here at Shades of Green. Like I said, compared to like other places on Disney property, this is probably really worth its price, honestly. It's nice. It doesn't seem outdated or anything. Nice and quiet vibe out here. And yeah, so once again, just want to say thanks for watching. Here's our nice little room tour of, again, Shades of Green, located here in Orlando, right here on Disney World property. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns how to book one of these rooms or anything like that, comment down below and I can try to help you out with that. So other than that, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life in idle, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. He low-key got butthurt that he didn't get to say bye, so go ahead and say bye now. Acting all weird. And since I'm already recording again, I wanted to show you guys this because I know a lot of people have USBs. So along this desk right here below the TV, have a nice area to plug in laptops and all that different stuff. So there are a lot of outlets in this room. Have those as well by the bed down there. Whole bunch right here, and I'd assumed some on this side, and I assumed correctly. Yeah, I think there's plenty of places to charge things at in this room as well. That's always a good thing. So yeah, catch you guys later.